We'll go to the zoo. Sometimes we see an animal, but we're not really sure what it is. We'll go around looking for the information boards, wanting to know more about the animal. But even if we do find the information boards, the information that they give is really limited, and it leaves us wanting to know more about the animal, like their habitats, eating habits, conservation status, and other things. Another problem is that sometimes there are those shy and tricky animals that would just go into hiding when you're looking for them. I always wish that someone could alert me when they're out in the open so that I could go and get some nice photos. So when I saw the zoo competition, I decided to make a website that would solve all these problems and help everybody during their zoo visits. Let me introduce you to AnimalIntel. There are a lot of cool features, but the coolest feature is found in the Found Something page. So in this page, we can either upload a photo of an animal or actually take a picture of an animal through the webcam. And it will tell you exactly what animal you're looking at through a machine learning model. So how I got this to work is I took this data set from Campbell with over 90 different animals and 5,000 over images and put them into this machine learning model by Teachable Machine, and I exported it and put it into my project. So other than giving the most likely animal, it will also give you all this cool information about the animal, such as habitat, diet, conservation status, adaptations, and even human interactions. Using the Perplexity API, this is possible. So after that, I also have the rewards page in order to motivate people to see more animals. So basically, the zoo management can give people freebies and vouchers after they earn enough points by uploading animals. However, people cannot trick this because if you upload the same animal more than once, you do not earn points for the other uploads. I really wish I had this in all of my trips to the zoo. After that, I also put in this cool chat feature so all zoogoers can make an account, for which I use Firebase at the back for email authentication, and they are part of this group chat where they can help alert everybody about what's going on in the zoo, like animal sightings, photo opportunities, or even can be used by the management to broadcast messages for all visitors. Finally, a lot of times we have to wait in queues for waiting our turn for a show or an animal sighting, etc. So instead of wasting time on TikTok and Instagram and waiting in queues, I made this fun animal trivia page where you can just generate some cool random trivia of the animal using the Perplexity API key. And that's it. Your perfect companion to the zoo. AnimalIntel.